Okay, up here at the next intersection, we will start our second video. We're passing the Rome Mall now on the right. We'll be turning right up here on Riverside Parkway. I'm not sure how the sun will be. We may use this video and may not, depending on how the sun affects it. Okay, this is the Armuchee connector. And this will take us down to where the Major Ridge Museum and Chieftain House is. We'll pass by the Braves, the Rome Braves field on the right. We will cross over the Oostanala. And when we cross over the connector, or the bypass, we'll be on Riverside. Rome Tennis Center is right there on the right. Now, I'm pretty sure I've got a video of the Rome Tennis Center. I'll be adding these videos to the Rome area videos. This will be the second video of the day. Speed limit is 45 here. And this will be another good one because you got a lot of farmland right here right now, or farmland here right now. It'd be interesting to see if this farmland 5-10 years from now. Rome is about 25 minutes off of 75, but this northwest Georgia area is growing like crazy. It will be a surprise to me if this land is still in crop production 10 years from now. Wouldn't surprise me 5 years from now, but it will surprise me 10 years from now. It's cotton out to the right. I think also to the left. We're crossing the Oostanala now. Now, I said we just have gone down through there where that traffic is right there. So we've made a block, going around the block. There is parking and also RV parking right there. And the Rome Braves play right here on the right. We will go straight across this time, and we'll be on Riverside. And we need to drop over to the right-hand lane, I believe. Yes. And I will turn it off while we wait on the light. Yeah, and this says this is Veterans Memorial, is what we're going down a while ago. Now, if you can see that over there to the left, that factory to the left, during the war, I'm told that was a parachute manufacturing facility, or factory. So you've got trails along the rivers here. This is part of the Major Ridge complex. Chieftain Museum, Major Ridge House. Full of Native American history, Cherokee Indians. I say you got walking trails and parks, park along here. We will be crossing the, no we won't. Cross the railroad track here, but not the Etowah. Nice large park. Okay, we're going to go straight across. We'll see if it stays Riverside or not. Here we're crossing Turnmcall Boulevard. I do not see any road signs. I don't know if they're still calling this Riverside or not, but looks like we're running to a dead end at the next red light.